Hello everybody, welcome to this quick workflow tutorial for Dog and Pony Data. If you're unaware of what Dog and Pony Data is, it is a marketing application used to send documents and collect data upon those documents. So let's just get started. So if this is your very first time visiting Dog and Pony Data, you can sign up for an account, dogandponydata.com. I'm Jamie Spittle, going to be your presenter here today, and I am the lead developer on Dog and Pony Data. So let's register up. Once you register, you'll be confronted with your dashboard. It says you have nothing sent out yet, so let's get started. I'm going to show you around this interface as we go through, so if you have any questions, watch the whole video, and I'm sure that they will get answered in time. If they don't get answered, we do have several other videos in the support channel, so just go looking through there, and we can help you out with that. All right, so very first thing you're going to want to do when you start up is go to this little plus right here, which is create a new document. If you ever don't know what an icon is, you can hover over it and it will give you a little tooltip. So click on this and it says create document. You can choose from from your local machine on computer. You can choose from Dropbox, and very soon you'll be able to choose from your Google Drive as well. So I'm going to upload from my computer. Just going to go to my desktop here, and I have this Dog and Pony Data business plan. We can open that up. It's automatically going to fill in the title here, but generally I like to get rid of the .pdf. So I'm just going to say, I'm literally just going to call it business plan. Down here, you have an option to disable disable the document on a set date. So you can select that and choose your day. And you can also add it to a campaign, which I have a video on if you are curious as to what campaigns are. So hit submit and it'll do its upload and its convert. So once that is done, we'll be right back. Welcome back, everybody. So the upload was successful. You'll see now in our sidebar that was previously empty, we now have this one document called business plan. So when you click on the business plan, you can see the title here. We are viewing it now. It says you have no links or views. Click the add link button at the top to get started. So basically, once you have a document, you want to add a link. And these links get set out to certain individuals or to groups of individuals for them to view, and then their viewer data will be listed underneath of that link. So I'll click this link, and I'm going to call it Matt's link. I'm going to send this over to my associate Matt, and it's going to say here, track email. And we'll get into that into another video called tracking email and exactly what that is. So I'll generate that, and you'll notice that we automatically get some big stats showing up here. Of course, they're not populated yet because we haven't had anyone view the document, but you can see now that this will be where your overall stats will be. So right underneath those stats, you'll see this little header called Matt's link. So this is the link that you want to send out to your potential client. So hit this little button, it'll copy it to the clipboard, and I'm going to send this off to Matt. All right, let's see if Matt gets that. And we can, by default, you will get an email notification when somebody views a document. You can turn that off in the settings, and we have a video on the user settings as well. But once he's viewed a little bit, you can hit this little refresh button, and you'll notice right down here that a view has shown up. So a couple things right off the bat you get. You can see exactly when they viewed it, so October 28th at 8:28. You can see exactly the amount that they viewed, the time that they've spent in the document. You can see that they are on a computer. It's a Macintosh computer running Windows Chrome, and there isn't any location data on this, but if their IP provided location data, you'd see exactly where they viewed it from. So if Matt is still looking at this, we can refresh it. You can see that he spent 36 seconds on this with 9% viewed. And in a few moments, we'll actually have data filling up this section here. So once you come back, you'll have data in that section. Now, because you have a single view, you will have small bits of data showing up around the site. So dashboard, you'll see that we've had one view on October 28th. The most viewed document has been this business plan. My contacts currently online are Matt, and he's getting a prospect rating of F because he hasn't done much in the document. But if he continues to view, looks at the whole document, the amount of time that he spends in the document all gets factored in. But the most interesting part that you'll be looking into is heat maps. So we have heat maps for individual views and for whole total documents. So to get to the the heat map for the individual view, just right on this view header, just click heat map, and then it'll load it up, and you can see exactly where his mouse was. So you can see he spent a little time messing around with the title. He looked at Alex Mason's name, went across the document tracking tools. He apparently really liked the word scale and accurate. So as you can see here, we can have the entire heat map on his singular view. And just so you know, there's about a 70% correlation between where the eyes are reading and staying on and to where the mouse is. So this is very accurate data as to where their eyes were tracking. So we can also go look at the full document heat map. So if we had multiple views, which of course we don't right now because just Matt has looked at it, we'll see the collected whole total heat map for the entire document here. So let's say I get 6 or 7 more views, and I want to see where the average people, where on average people are looking at the heat map. All you got to do is click on this, and I'll show you the collected heat map for that. So that gives you a quick little overview about how to use Dog and Pony data and view the statistics. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. We have a little support section under this question mark here. And as well, we can be contacted at support@dogandponydata.com. Thank you. I've been Jamie, and I hope this has been helpful. Have a great day.